Three psychological mistakes all traders are guilty of making in the stock market. First is FOMO trading, fear of missing out. These traders are very excited and optimistic about each and every trade they're about to take. Their mind goes like that this trade is going to be the one and it will make them very rich, thinking that they won't find such an opportunity again. But we all know that's not true. Market is like an ocean and it will keep giving you new opportunities. So wait for it. Now what does this FOMO exactly make you do? Firstly, it makes you take all the single trades you find out there. Second, it makes you oversize your positions. Finally, when this trade turns out to be your losing trade, you start to panic as you are in deep loss and you get stuck in a position. I'm sure this has happened to the best of us out there. So firstly, I want to tell you guys is, do not try to take each and every trade you find in the market. Now coming to the solution, how to deal with this fear of missing out. Remove yourself from all Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp and YouTube channels and start to find your own trades. Because we see a lot of people making huge amounts of money in these groups and that gives us FOMO. We have to make sure we can find our own trades and setups. Be alone. Find your own trades, setups and obviously reasons of selection of that stock. Now some of you might feel that you are not able to find trades. Well, this is your calling that you stop trading and you start learning. Trade ideas of others can be used as a helping hand, but make sure you never depend on it. Now finally, we come to our second psychological mistake that I'm sure we all have made, and that is revenge trading. These revenge traders are the people who blow up their accounts in a few days, trying to make it big in a short span of time. After getting a loss in a trade, these traders forget all the concepts of trading and position sizing and they start trading randomly in the hopes of recovery. And guess what? They end up losing 5 to 10 times they initially lost. Sometimes you might even recover the loss you made, but in the long run, you are on the path of blowing your account, guys. What's the solution for this? First of all, let me tell you that the position sizing is completely wrong. Make sure you define your stop losses before every trade you take and define such a position size that will not affect your emotions in case your trade goes wrong and stop loss gets hit. This will help you take decisions with logic and not emotions. Every strategy is going to have losing trades, but you have to make sure your winning trades are bigger than your losing trades. Focus on long term and don't try to make money every day. Your goal should be monthly, quarterly or yearly returns, guys. Now, let's come down to our third trading mistake that is called as gambler's fallacy. Yes, you heard it right. As the word suggests, gambling. In simple words, thinking that a series of events will somehow affect the outcome of the next event. But really, it doesn't. For example, if you flip a coin 10 times and we get tails as a result for the first 5 times trade. Now, for the 6th time, we all will think that it has to be heads, but it's not a necessity, guys. Similarly, if we head on to a roulette wheel in a casino and the ball ends on red for the straight 10 times, you know what people do? People start to bet on black color, but in reality, the past outcome has no effect on the upcoming outcome. This fact is also applied to trading, guys. If you have 5 losing trades, people start to think that now it has to be a profitable trade and tend to increase their position sizing and well end up losing big time again. Now market doesn't care about your previous profits or losses. The market doesn't know. So you have to make sure you are working on your setup continuously. Now what is the solution for it? Treat each trade as an independent trade and don't relate to previous trades. Also, if you're getting continuous losses, guys, it's time to take a break and work on your setup again. If you like this video and would like to see more such informative content, guys, hit the subscription button. Also, don't forget to like and comment.